guys, it's Justine. I'm here with my sister Jenna, and today we are recreating one of my really old videos.
Oh, hi.
No! This is in honor of National Peanut Butter and Jelly Day. I feel like that's your day.
Oh my gosh.
Jenna's such a picky eater that anytime we would go to restaurants, she would end up just eating a peanut butter and jelly there. Or grilled cheese. So I thought today we would dedicate this day to you.
Oh my gosh.
So special.
What day is it? What is today?
Today is April 2nd, National Peanut Butter and Jelly Day. Obviously.
Okay, I knew that.
This is the video that we're gonna be recreating. I had a lot of peanut butter and jelly back in the day, and I did a lot of things. So take a quick look at what we're gonna do.
I've got 2 loaves of bread, jelly, peanut butter. You are very jelly. Let's do a real big scoop. This is a very heavy thing of peanut butter. It's looking real thick. That's good, that's what we want. Oh my God, this is absolutely just, it looks like vomit. So what I think I'm going to do is put a big hole through this bread and just pour this delicious liquid into it. So this is what we have so far. Yeah, I didn't do a very good job of making this even. But what I do want to do is I want to seal it. And just dab it on the sides. Okay, that's not working at all. Let's see what happens when we pour the mix in. No! No!
And see if we can do it better this time. Okay, so first things that we're gonna need for our peanut butter and jelly sandwich tower is bread.
Yes.
Peanut butter. Jelly.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, get ripped.
Do we need like a knife? Should I do something instead of just stand here?
Well,
I'll help.
now we're gonna put this in here. Okay, so we're gonna first put in our jelly. What is the difference between jelly and jam?
Oh, you don't know?
If I knew, I would be stating it as a fact and not a question, Jenna.
I actually don't know, but it's probably like the way that it's prepared.
Does Tyler know?
Yep.
Tyler, tell us.
Jelly? Wait. Jelly doesn't have the stuff in it. Jam has like the seeds and the pulp and the this is my jam.
Okay, so then I also have jelly.
Oh my gosh. Make up your mind. Is it peanut butter and jelly or is it peanut butter and jam?
I don't know.
This video is a lie.
No, it's the truth. We're telling the truth.
Oh.
The truth is in the pudding.
Watch this.
That's so
shut
you
up, shut
got
up, shut up.
crumbs all over my MacBook. Oh, here, so this is gonna be like our tower. So what we're gonna do, we're going to need to hollow out this bread.
Should we get the drill?
Okay, ask Justine from 2013 why she thought this was a good idea.
I got a new pair of pants. I'm really excited about them.
Why did I do this? I don't remember why. I need a circular thing.
Expired?
This is like one of the videos that really started my cooking channel. Like I started cooking slowly after this.
This expires February 2021. This might outlast me.
Okay, so now this is, so we have to, oh gosh. So I think what we might, what did you do to that?
I took a bite. I'm making a snack.
Are you eating it?
Oh, I'm excited.
See, this has to be here so that can keep it in. This here's my
How
finger.
can I help?
No. So when I did this originally, I'm not sure what I had in mind.
Why are you putting the bread in there?
Because we're gonna mix it up. Well, this bread is expired, so.
What? I just ate some.
Did you really? Did it taste okay? Were you okay? How are you feeling? Because it definitely was expired. That's why I'm using it.
I'm a little sweaty.
So here's the problem that I ran into the last time is I really thought that like this was structurally going to hold all
Stable?
of the.
Oh. Nothing happened there.
You never saw my video from.
No, I missed that one. I
Yeah.
was busy.
She's yummy. Get in there! Oh boy. Okay.
I just keep eating peanut butter.
Okay, that looks good. We're gonna take this peanut butter.
Yeah.
And we're going to. Did you eat this too? I need you to help.
That's not how you make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Here,
Do you know
switch me.
everything?
No, it's like you're making a cake now, but I like this.
No.
Oh!
So I need to do this to keep the juice inside. This is like my redemption to make this work.
This is disgusting. That smells like fire.
I think my tower's done. If I recall, let's see what happened last time
Oh, I got crumbs on your
when I did this. No! No!
What do I do? What do I do? That's what we gotta do. Push it down a little more. Oh no, we have a leak. We have a leak. We have a leak. No! Shoot! Oh gosh! No! I was trying to reset my camera. This is what happens when you don't have a crew. I don't even know what to do now. I made a big mess and everything is, I hope. Let's just hope this garbage disposal works.
So that's what we did. All
right, here we go. Ready?
Wait, I might need to help. I haven't done anything yet. Let me hold your sticks for you.
This is gonna work. Oh my gosh, everything is working. This is great. Oh my goodness, it only took me 6 years.
Maddie's eating Oreo out of the trash.
Maddie, no!
Hey. He's like, I'm sorry, I'm cool.
Oh, look, it's almost to the top. Almost to the top. How's it feeling? Is it feeling pretty steady? Like there's no leaks. We gotta put the jelly topping.
Oh my God, I'm covered.
Oh, I thought this was gonna be like...
No, like icing?
Yeah, and I was gonna like do like a pretty little...
No.
Okay, so now we did that. So now what do we do?
Follow-up video.
Because I feel like this is a success. It's
Well,
starting
it's
to get a little unsteady.
It's like,
Welcome to 2019.
Is it gorging?
it's like
Yeah, it is.
Oh my God,
It is, I know.
It's gonna leak. We've got a leak!
She's,
No! No! Where's my knife?
This PBJ thick.
Oh no.
Do you want me to hold it like this? Squeeze it back together?
No!
I'm gonna squeeze it back together,
No,
okay?
I'm putting the jam. I've patched it.
I came out of another spot.
No!
I'm gonna squeeze it back together.
No, you can't squeeze it back together. Hold it up.
I'm gonna
Hold it up. Hold it up.
I'm gonna squeeze it back.
Ah! No! But it looks like
If you would have let me squeeze it back together.
in 6 more years, we'll try again, friends.
How old will we be?
Oh my God, I'll be 40 something.
We'll be 41. So wait, here's the problem. Look, if we flip it this way, it still looks good. This looks disgusting. I can't.
Oh my God, it looks like intestines that have just spewed. Like it looks like you just like. I'm disgusted. Thank you so much for participating in the remake of one of my old videos. I want to do a couple more of these. There's so many other videos that I've watched of my old videos I'm super embarrassed by, but I would love to do remakes of them.
Shakira.
Wait,
Hips don't lie.
she's a she-wolf in the closet. Let's go away now. Well, wait, I don't want to go away. I want this to go away.
I think I don't know where I go.
I think I need to I gotta move again.
Oh, my Uber's here. I gotta go.
Bye. Wait, why are you Ubering? Didn't you drive here?
Yeah, I'm just trying to get out of this.
Okay. See you guys later.
We should have put an egg in the middle.
Oh, should we have?
I don't know.
Okay guys, well, thanks for watching. Let me know what you'd like to see me fail at making next.